Well, hello. Got so much stuff I can't get what I need to. Hey, welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle's channel with a dicking around in the shed. Right in intro. Yep. Alright, well, welcome back to the shed where we dick around. And today we dicking around with a Spyder, like I said last week. A week before last, that I had to, this is the $50 hose with shipping and handling. Almost. Like 50 cents being $50. With shipping and handling, tax and title, and ditto pep. And anyway, that's a hose that I hope. It's just a hose that's leaking. Dang, that's awful thick. So hopefully it ain't the reservoir, but on her Spyder. So first thing we got to do is take the sides off so I can get my hands up in there better, see what I'm doing. At least it ain't but two hose crap. Well, one hose crap, that makes me tell me that when they put the other radiator in, when she wrecked it, ran into me, and or somehow, because it's a regular hose clamp, and the rest of them some metal band compression clamp that the dealership would have put on. Not the dealership, the manufacturer. So here's an update. What we did last week is I wish I could do it again and do it better this time, but I like what I got. It ain't what I wanted, but it's what I got. But anyway, if I would have took my time a little bit better, I mean, I don't think I needed to put the fiberglass on there. I could just use the felt, but the fiberglass gives it strength like it's going to need it. But I did a little prep work. I'm going to move outside because it makes it dusty and all, and probably needed to be wear a respirator. So let's get to the Spyder. What I mean, took my time is it looks like it's got air pockets because it's got air pockets. It's because I should have did a better job laying the fiberglass down. But anyway, it's all going to be covered up, and I wish by vinyl, I hope. We'll see how good a job vinyl person I am. Upholstery. What do I need to do? Guess I need to take some stuff off the sides. Pull. Alright, that's one piece. I think we got to take like this part off. And need some Torx. Torx is good one. There's one there. I thought there was one. Maybe that's just it. That's the one that's there. I guess it's just that one. Anyway, we'll figure it out. What did I come over here for? Came over here for something. I don't know what we're gonna have for supper. Get to go to the grocery store. It's pretty. I should go riding. But what did I come over here for? Oh yeah, I know where it's at. Phillips head screwdriver. Brought my tool. It just makes it easy to pop these push pins out. Makes it easy to pop these push pins out. There you go. 1, 2, 3 push pins. And I don't think all that stays on there, I think. I think I'm going to take this off. I believe this. Come on, come out of there. There you go. Nope. Oh, that's... I don't think... Just gotta get them torques. I need a torque bit. What do I need? Torque bit. Torque. Star. T30. Oh, righty tighty, lefty loosey, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Then you just slide it to the front, to the front, to the front, front. Maybe. Seems like there's something else holding it. Oh, right there it is. Yep, I knew there was something else holding it. You got another, well, you're missing a bolt. Uh-oh. I knew there was another bolt in this. Another forks. Don't lose that one because we already lost one. Don't lose that, we already lost one. Alright, and that just comes off. And I'll need a light. Alright. Put a little light in the situation. If we get a little light in the situation, it will stay. Come on, stay up there. We just want to shove you right in there. Alright, what we need is that hose right there. And it's right there. So I should be able to get it. Because that's where you can't see much. So let me get another socket. I think that's 8 millimeters. Good. Yep. Alright, I got the band off. What did I do with the band? It's kind of on there. Yeah. You had to these little, I don't know what you clamping crap metal bands. Maybe you pull them. Anyway, I use my little nibblers and nibble. Okay, I got it in there. Now I'm gonna use a pick to see if I can't get my hand. We're gonna lose some water. Let me get something. I got it. Yeah, we making a mess. Well, ain't much you can do about it. I don't know. Well, I do feel a little better about that it was the hose. I think where it has just a little bitty hole. Because it wasn't leaking much. It just, I could smell it. And when it got hot, I guess it's just one little bitty hole right there. I mean, they might have pricked it. Now, I can't find what I did with the hose. Great. I'd lose my head if it wasn't attached. Found it. Now, let's hope I remember how to put it back on there. I think that's the way it went. Ain't enough room but one hand up in there, and I can't find the hose. I took a hose, the pipe, keep them off of. There it is. You make it by. See. That went on there pretty easy. Is that all the way up? Nope. Where's that one go? That one goes over here. Come on. Okay. Turn my wrist that way. Oh. wrist trying to turn that damn thing. I guess that's all the way up. Hey, it don't sit on there very far, does it? To get you up in there a little farther than that. Loosen that up just a little bit more. Slide you up on there. Gee, man. Whew. I make an easy job hard. All I had to do was place one hose. It'd take me all day. Whew. I got it. I hit it with a driver. Give it a... That's good and tight. Good and tight. The Germans sat and they knew what they was doing. It's good and tight. That's good and tight. Done. You want to see? It's in there. See it? Probably not. See it? Alright. Another thing. There's a hose that runs down beside your frame. And right on the side of that A-arm frame that comes down. Right here. You see? And it rubs on that. I noticed where it's been rubbing, but it ain't rubbed all the way through. So I'm gonna use this hose and cut it, and yeah, maybe not. Just put it like a spacer or something in between there so that it won't be rubbing on it. Alright. Well, I got that thing from motorsports.com. They got pretty much any OMC part. Well, I hope they got some good stuff. There's the thing, and you want to take a picture, but it's not just for Spyders, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know. Might need, got what you need. We're gonna put that on the board. Motorsports.com. Right there. So I'm gonna take it outside and hose it off a little bit to we got a freedom ride tomorrow. Freedom for the Veterans Park. Go check out that video there, that one there, and hit that subscribe button. Don't cost you nothing. Unless the $50 hose I just bought. Cost me something. Not you. Later.